viewers, for the fellow classic car lovers. We are just going into the neighbouring property, or half an hour away. Got some older cars here that I've purchased. I haven't been here for quite some time. Can't remember really what's here, but yeah, we'll go in, have a look, and yeah, hopefully start doing some retrievals of different cars. When we get there, I'll show you around and see what we got, and hopefully it's interesting for you to watch. We're sort of here, a bit of a rough cross country to get to this point, just in the middle of the paddock. But you can see across here, there's, I don't know, umpteen dozen cars, 7 or 8 that we can see. So we're going to go walk through and see what we can find, and if we can get a path to any of these cars. Hopefully it's not all swamp, so we've got to be careful. So here we are, amongst all the wreckages. Not much to look at, but there was probably a 7-foot eastern brown snake that went straight underneath that Tirana. So a bit jumpy at the moment. Ta-da! Easy as that, right? So we got him on, VH Commodore. Finally got the bonnet open. Actually, condition isn't too bad considering it's been in the swamp for God knows how long. Chassis's no rust whatsoever. Interior is pretty beat up. Got no wheel nuts here, just held on by rust. That's underneath, looks pretty good. I thought it'd be all rusted away, but actually tidy. And talking about a retrieval I should say, this is where it came from, down in the swamp, where it sat for about 20 25 years, probably. No, 20 years. So I remember working here as a kid, and all this was still here. Anyway, we got the first one, and yeah, we'll just start going home and see if we can get him home safely without falling off the trailer. VH. It's got a blue 6-cylinder in it, 186 or something. Or blue 202, don't know yet. Welcome back, guys. So we got it back in one piece. I just finished garroting it, cleaning it, whatnot. Actually come up really clean. All the rust I thought was on it was actually mud. So being in a swamp, in a melon hole, I'm not sure how long it's been sitting in there for, or how long that melon hole's been there for, but yeah, all the chassis rails, everything's actually really good. The floor pans are good. All the front plenum or the structure underneath is good. You can't even see any rust whatsoever. It's just this surface stuff. Like, it's more mold, like, you know, where it's been dented or whatnot. There's a bit of surface rust there, but actually it's pretty decent, except for where I've wrecked it, towing it out. But never mind that. So look, this is the engine. The blue 186 by the looks of it. It's got a Vara Jet 2 carb. It's a VH 1981 SL, I believe. But we're going to decode these plates later. All plates are here. Really good condition. Looks, yeah, very impressed actually with the way it turned up. We're going to chuck a battery onto it and see if we can get it turned over. It's got no alternator, so yeah, I don't have any hopes for it to run, but I just want to turn it over and maybe put a bit of start your bastard in and see if it'll fire up. But yeah, so I'm just going to clamp on the battery terminals. Cool! What a fucking beauty! Feels like a kitten. There you have it, folks. Peter Brock special. Straight from the racetrack. Yeah, really happy with that. It was a big gamble. It was basically underwater in a melon hole, so we've only had recent wet weather for the last couple of months, so I'm hoping that it's been drier basically for 15 years before that. I remember back when I was 15, so that's probably 17 years ago, this car was sitting there. And yeah, just needs an alternator and a fan belt and yeah, a quick service, I'd say, and then yeah, get on the road and get registered and Mount Panorama.